A small bag at the bus stop. On Tuesday, Lily leaves her house a little early for school. The sky is pale gray, and the cool breeze touches her face. She wears a thin jacket, carries her school bag on one shoulder, and walks down the quiet street toward the bus stop near the corner shop. The small gate behind her house closes with a soft click. The bus stop is simple. There is a bench, a glass panel, a metal sign, and a small map inside a frame. A tree stands beside the pavement, and a low wall runs behind the bench. Lily likes this place at this early hour because the bench, the sign, the glass panel, and the map are still quiet before the road becomes busy. When she arrives, she is the first person there. She sits on the bench and opens her notebook for a moment. Today she has an English quiz, so she reads 2 short lines again. Then she closes the notebook and places it back in her bag. A few minutes later, a passerby with a red scarf walks past the stop and the bench. After that, an older passenger in a dark coat stands near the sign and checks the road beside the glass panel. A schoolboy with a football under one arm waits by the glass panel at the bus stop. Lily looks at the bench again. Something is there now. It is a very small blue bag. The bag is under the corner of the bench, half hidden by the metal leg. Behind it, the low wall and the bus stop sign make a small, quiet corner. It has a short strap and a silver zip. Lily is sure it was not there a minute ago. She bends down beside the bench and pulls it out carefully. The small bag hangs in her hand near the sign and the wall. Whose bag is this? She asks. The older passenger looks at it and shakes his head. Not mine. The schoolboy glances over. I don't know, he says. Lily holds the bag in both hands. It feels soft, but not empty. She can feel something small inside. Behind her, the wall, the bench, and the sign stay quiet. For a second, she thinks about opening it. Then she stops. It does not feel right. Instead, she looks around the bus stop area. Maybe someone dropped the bag near the bench and is still nearby. She checks the bench, the wall, and the sign. She looks at the map and the glass panel too. No one is searching for a bag. The red scarf is already far down the street with its passerby. 2 bicycles pass on the road. A white van stops in front of the corner shop for a moment and then moves again. Still, no one comes back. Maybe give it to the driver, the older passenger says. Lily nods, but she still feels unsure. What if the owner comes back before the bus? The schoolboy points at the front pocket. There may be a name inside. Lily looks down. The front pocket is a little open. Without opening the main part of the bag, she gently pulls out a small card. It is a library card. The name on it says, Anna Reed. At least we know the name now, Lily says, holding the library card above the bag. The older passenger smiles. That helps. Just then, a girl runs around the corner. She has a long ponytail, a green sweater, and worried eyes. She looks at the bench, then at Lily's hands. My bag. The girl says. She stops in front of Lily and takes a quick breath. I am so sorry. I was looking for it. Lily lifts the small blue bag a little. Is this yours? Yes, the girl says. I had it when I left the library. Then I checked my phone while I was walking, and I think it slipped from my hand. Lily shows her the library card. Your name is Anna. The girl nods quickly. Yes. Anna Reed. Lily smiles and gives the bag back to her. Thank you, Anna says. My bus card is inside. And my house key too. Then it is good you came back fast, Lily says. Anna laughs softly, but she still looks nervous. She opens the bag just enough to check inside. Then her face relaxes. Everything is here, she says. The bus stop feels lighter now. The older passenger says, good. Problem solved. The schoolboy grins and bounces the football once on the ground. Anna puts the library card back into the front pocket and closes the zip carefully. Then she looks at Lily again. You helped me a lot, she says. Thank you for waiting. No problem, Lily answers. Anna sits on the other side of the bench and holds the bag tightly on her lap. I will not put it down again, she says. Lily laughs. That sounds like a good plan. Now the road is busier. A bus passes in the other direction. A cyclist stops near the crossing. The corner shop opens its door, and a shop worker carries a box of fruit inside. Lily looks at the small blue bag once more. It is such a small thing, but it made the whole bus stop feel different for a few minutes. Soon, their bus appears at the end of the street. The older passenger steps closer to the sign. The schoolboy lifts his football. Anna stands up with her bag. Lily puts on her own school bag and takes one last look at the bench. Nothing is under it now. The bus stops with a soft hiss. The doors open. Anna turns to Lily before she gets on. Maybe I will see you here again, she says. Maybe, Lily answers. They both smile. Then Lily climbs onto the bus and finds a seat by the window. As the bus moves away, she looks back at the stop, the bench, the sign, and the little place where the blue bag waited. It was only a small bus stop problem, but it changed the start of the day. And for Lily, that quiet bus stop now feels a little more interesting than before.